First of all, ish.
Yeah.
Kusasa mfethu.
Yeah.
Bariking lava saSoweto bariki El Clasico.
Yeah.
But on my side, it's
Yeah.
my game.
Yeah.
For bona bariki El Clasico.
Sure.
Just one thing enyaka ichona nyana.
Yeah.
Yazi le ngoma ithini? Masandawana hiyo.
Yeah.
Masandawana hiyo. Ish, mfethu. Yeah, ish. Awusane it's a game of emotions. Every we are expecting it's like a game that is highlighting our the season. You understand? It's highlighting the season. We've been expecting this day. Ifigile kusasa. 1st of November. I'm home. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Soweto. So-called Soweto Giants, Orlando Pirates. Yeah. Kusasa. Yeah, man, it's a game of emotion, my friend. I don't want to lie. I'm expecting my team to show up. We didn't start too good as a Sundowns, but yeah, we live to what we know.